Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to billiard. The game setup, you have 15 colored balls, 7 stripped, 7 solid and 1 block 8 ball. Use a triangle to arrange the balls with the block 8 ball placed at the center. The player breaks the rack, scattering the balls. If the player pockets one or more balls except the 8 ball, they can choose to play either stripped or solid balls. The objective of the game is that to pocket all balls of their chosen type, stripped or solid. The game ends with a successful shot of the block 8 ball, but only after all the players' assigned balls have been pocketed. Now, a winning strategy, continue your turn as long as you pocket a ball of your type. Strategically position the cue ball for your next shot. If you pocket the cue ball, the opponent can place it anywhere on the table for the next turn. If you pocket the 8 ball permanently before clearing your assigned balls, you lose instantly. To win the pocket 8 ball after clearing all your assigned balls, and ensure you don't pocket the cue ball along with the 8 ball or you lose. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.